Hi everyone and welcome back. For today's video, I am going to do a full face of makeup using Nykaa Cosmetics. I have so many new products that I did not get time to try when they were launched. So I bought most of them and I am going to try them in today's video. So let's get started. First step is to prime, for which I have the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. This is a silicone based primer. I've seen a lot of people rave about this primer and it's mattifying and it's also blurring sort of primer. I personally feel that this is a bit more thick and drying than the other pore minimizing primers I have tried, but I liked it overall. It does kill shine and it blurs the pores. Also makes the skin extremely smooth for foundation application. Next is foundation. I bought the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation in 10 Golden Hour and 12 True Toffee. Now I think that this foundation is available in 20 shades and I bought 2 shades because Golden Hour was very light for me and True Toffee was too orange for me. So I mixed these shades. I mostly use Golden Hour, but I also mix a teeny tiny bit of True Toffee into it just to get that depth so that it doesn't look too light on my skin. So this foundation is matte. You have to be quick with the blending, otherwise it will set. It has a medium coverage. I will not recommend building it up because on my skin it became patchy when I applied a second layer. Since Nykaa has no liquid concealer, I used my L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer. For cream contour, I will be using the Nykaa Foundation Stick in 07. I apply it on the back of my hand, pick it up with a flat contouring brush and blend it close to my hairline, in the hollow of my cheekbones and my jawline. I really like this contour stick because it has almost a neutral undertone, but it's just a little bit warm, so it can work as a cream bronzer as well. But yes, if you have a deeper skin tone, this will not be a bronzer or a contour stick for you. Then I will be using the Nykaa Strobe and Glow Liquid Highlighter and applying it on the high points of my cheekbones. This highlighter can also act as a liquid bronzer for lighter skin tones. It gives a very subtle glow, but you can definitely build it up. Overall, I really liked it and I feel that you can also use it on a bare face and it will just give you a nice glow. Now to set my face, I'm using the Nykaa Compact Powder in 05 Olive. I love this compact and I use it very often. I like the undertone of this compact, especially this shade. I just love it. For eyebrows, I'm using the Nykaa Brow Girl Eyebrow Definer Pencil in Bewitched Chestnut. I really like the color of this eyebrow definer. It's very easy to use. It's not extremely pigmented. I hate eyebrow definers that are very pigmented because, you know, it's really easy to mess up your eyebrows. I like the shape of this definer too, and it also has a spoolie. Next, we're gonna move on to the eyeshadow. I have the Nykaa Just Wink It eyeshadow palette in Double Chocolate Chip. I like most of the shades. They have no kickback and were very pigmented. This has got 8 matte shades, 3 metallic and 1 shimmery kind of shade. I started with this warm caramel brown and I will be using it as my transition. I really like the color scheme of this palette. You can do a lot of different looks from natural to glam. So yeah, this eyeshadow palette is a big thumbs up for dusky skin. The next shade I am using is a deeper brown sort of shade to build up my crease and the outer V. And ultimately, I'm applying the black shade in my crease and outer V. The black was slightly patchy and difficult to blend, but it was extremely pigmented. And I really love the fact that the palette has a black shade because a black shade in an eyeshadow palette is an absolute must for me. Then I'm using this bronze metallic shade and applying it all over my lid. You can also use it with fingers. Here I'm using a pack brush. I'm going to link it in the description box because I don't remember the number. For my lower lash line, first I'm picking up the transition shade and then the black shade. So this brush is from Morphe and I think they are available on Nykaa now. So I'm going to mention them in the description box if you guys want to check it out. Then I'm using this bright metallic shade for my inner corner. For lashes, first I'm going to curl them and apply the Nykaa Super Sizer Mascara. Now this is meant for volume, but I don't feel that it adds volume. However, I did apply some false eyelashes from Nykaa. It's the Nykaa Lash Talk False Eyelash in Melodrama. For powder contour, I'm using the Nykaa Contour and Conquer Contouring and Highlighting Palette. This has a contouring shade and a highlighting shade. I like both the shades. You can see I did hit pan on the contouring shade, so I really like it. The highlighter is okay. It can wash you out if you have like very deep or tan skin tone, so I don't use this highlighter a lot. Next is blush, and for that I bought the Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in Brazilian Bombshell. I think that was the shade name. I have the shade Malibu Barbie already, and I have used it a lot of times, so I thought of purchasing a new shade. Malibu Barbie is more vibrant, and this shade, which is Brazilian Bombshell, this has got more depth to it, so I'd say that this is a better one for dusky skin. Then I am going to use the liquid highlighter on top of everything. It did sit pretty nicely on top of all the powder products, and I was very impressed because liquid highlighters, they generally turn patchy on top of powder products, and you know, they lift off the bottom layers like your foundation and the concealer and the powder. So I really don't like those type of liquid highlighters, but this one didn't do that. Next, I am gonna just pick up the highlighting shade from their Contour and Conquer palette, and I'm gonna apply it on my brow bone. Then I am using a lip liner. This is the Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in Pillow Fight, and I just love it. It's a pink nude. For lipstick, I'm using the Nykaa Matte Luxe lipstick in Artisanal Coffee and Avocado Toast. So this one is Avocado Toast, and then I'm just gonna dab a little bit of Artisanal Coffee because, you know, this was very warm. So I liked most of the products, not a fan of the mascara and the foundation, but other than that, I think I liked all the products. And this is the completed look. Hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.